What if a war tactic from over 50 years ago was still poisoning land, hurting people, and causing birth defects today? That's Agent Orange for you. A toxic weapon used during the Vietnam War that's still affecting millions. Agent Orange was a plant-killing chemical, or herbicide, used by the U.S. military from 1962 to 1971. It was sprayed to clear dense forests and crops that the opposition forces used for cover. Over 11 million gallons of Agent Orange were dropped across 20 million acres of land in Vietnam. The real danger in Agent Orange wasn't the herbicide itself, but a chemical contaminant it carried: dioxin. One of the most toxic compounds ever created. It's a persistent organic pollutant, meaning it could stay toxic in the environment or human body for decades, even over 100 years in water sediments or deep soil. Exposure to dioxin can cause cancer, Parkinson's, diabetes, nerve damage, and respiratory diseases. Many children were born with severe birth defects, miscarriages increased, and some effects didn't appear until years later. Over 300,000 U.S. veterans and 400,000 Vietnamese people are believed to have died because of Agent Orange exposure. Another 150,000 children in Vietnam were born with serious defects. Agent Orange didn't just hurt people, it poisoned the earth. It deforested 5 million acres of jungle and farmland, with some areas sprayed more than 4 times. Even today, parts of Vietnam remain toxic, especially around old U.S. military bases. These hotspots are still being cleaned to stop the poison from entering the food chain. People were exposed by breathing it, eating food it touched, drinking water contaminated, or even just touching soil or vegetation. And because dioxin stores in fats and affects hormones, it can pass from generation to generation to generation. Agent Orange was banned in 1971. The remaining stocks were shipped to Johnston Atoll near Hawaii and destroyed by 1978. But even though it's no longer used, its effects are still seen today in human health, damaged land, and families still seeking justice. Agent Orange is a powerful reminder that the consequences of war don't end when the fighting stops. The damage lingers in bodies, in families, and in the soil itself. Learning about it helps us remember the cost and our responsibility to those still living with its effects.